This is the elox channel. Today we will introduce the elox SFIC standard Mortise housing. This video will briefly introduce the characteristics of this lock and how to use it. When you get this lock, please make sure that the iron piece behind the lock is in the proper shape. Otherwise it will not be able to be used. We have 6 different styles, each with a different shape. After you get the lock and confirm that the piece of iron is correct, screw it onto the lock. After you complete the previous steps, you can install the lock core. First, make sure the assembly direction is correct. This is usually where the problem lies. Then, find the key with CK written on it. It is the only key that can be used to replace the lock core. Then find a good angle. Put the lock core in and turn it. Then confirm that the lock can be turned. If you find it difficult to install the iron plate first, you can also install the lock core first. Then use the attached key to confirm that it can rotate normally, and then install the lock body on the door.